This is Pastor Chef. I'm gonna teach you ladies how to make stacked flapjacks. Stacked flapjacks. Yeah.
Stacked flapjacks.
All right, yeah, okay. We got our dry ingredients, we got our wet ingredients.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix all of our dry, then we're gonna mix all of our wet, and then we're gonna put them together in one bowl, measure out 2 cups of flour.
Over the place. Oh, it'll be all right. I'm about to, okay, that look about good?
I think.
Okay, all right.
That's 2 cups perfect.
All right, see there?
All right.
We've been learning something on Pastor Chef, and I'm gonna put in my
We're
bowl
gonna dump
here.
it right there.
Okay.
Then we got 5
teaspoons
of baking
Okay.
powder.
I'm gonna make sure we don't get over 5.
That's
That's 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4. All right, 5.
4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons is gonna be just what you need. You don't wanna do any more than that, because you know you're gonna add syrup, and you know we got our pink Himalayan salt work, but
All right.
see, this is big enough to catch it all.
Would make better sense, wouldn't it? I'm trying to go sour. I think we're probably just about there. Right there.
All right, so we got all our dry.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So we can let that rest.
Okay.
We can let
all
those
right.
ingredients
Let that rest.
Do we
Okay.
mix
Yeah.
them up, brother?
Y'all want
We
to
mix
stir?
Nah, you know,
Okay.
we got to do nothing to them. We just let them rest. All right. Now we're gonna get 2 eggs. Yeah.
That's too quick.
Half a cup of oil. We'll be using vegetable oil,
Okay.
and then 2 cups of milk. Cause that's it. That's all the ingredients.
That's it.
Brown, if you will put our dry into the bowl.
Okay. Make sure we get it all.
All right.
Okay.
Then you can pour the milk.
Okay, you don't want us to mix up yet. You still don't
Nope,
want
we
us
ain't
to
mixing
mix
anything
up.
yet.
All right.
We're gonna pour the milk.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. And we're gonna take the eggs and the oil, pour it in there.
All right.
All right. Okay.
That's the pretty side.
Yeah, that's the side.
All right.
All right. All right.
Oh, wow. Okay.